Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Coding with Pragya. So in this lecture we are going to see about a very important function, inbuilt function, that is filter function. So let me type a comment, filter. So it contains two main arguments. Let's type filter. It contains a function and let after that it contains iterable. So these are the two arguments that is present inside the filter. So now moving on to the example. First, I'd like to define a list. So let me call a list that is numbers. And I'm going to define the elements of the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to define my number from 1 to 7. Now I like to sort all these numbers. So what I want only the even number from the list. So for that, I'm going to define a function and my function name is even. Let me just give an argument a and let me just return a modular 2. It should return me 0. It means when the number will be divisible by exactly 2, then only it will return. So let me take a variable answer. Now I'm going to call this inbuilt function filter. It takes two parameters, that is function and iterable. The function is nothing but the even function which we define here, and the iterable is nothing but this numbers what we have taken as a list numbers. So even and numbers I have taken. The first one is the function and second one is the iterable. So what is it actually does? It takes all the numbers present inside this list, and after that it takes the operation which we have mentioned in the function even. So now let's print answer and check the output, and it returns us the filter object. So whenever you give a filter, you have to provide whether the output should be in the form of list, set, or tuple. So let's give it a list. Let's try with a list. Let's check the output. So here you can see that we have all the even numbers, and or even we can print inside a set. So it's not necessary that you have to print inside a list. You can, if you will mention a list, you'll get the output in list. So you might have a doubt over here. Instead of using these two lines of code, we can use the lambda function. So let me just use the lambda function. So I have removed even. I'm going to use lambda function. And over here, I can use the argument a, then colon, then the expression is this expression you can write here, a modulus 2 equals to 0. That's it. So now we can delete this function, and if you just check the output, you'll get the same output. So there is no necessary that you have to provide even the numbers. Even we can use the range, as we have learned the loop also. So over here we can, instead of numbers iterable, we can provide the range of let it be for 11. So it will take all the numbers from 1 to 10, 0 to 10, sorry. So this is how the filter works. So that's about this filter. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Thank you.